let us know how Google Scholar can help us in order to find our future research group, our future potential supervisor, which university you have to target, which country you have to target. Google Scholar can answer all these questions, and I guarantee you that if you know this technique, you can easily find your future potential supervisor, your future research group, your future universities, your future country where you want to do research and study, right? I explained in my first video that in order to know about your materials, your field of research, your area of research, there are many ways. The first one is university websites, research paper, ResearchGate, Web of Sciences, ORCID. I already explained this one, and today I am going to explain about Google Scholar, right? So let's get started. For instance, this is my Google Scholar profile. If you do not have Google Scholar profile, just write Google Scholar in this get my own profile. So you will start some entry, they will ask you some questions, and then you will get some profile like this. If you have published already research paper, so you will have a profile like this. If you do not have any research paper, still you will get a picture and profile, right? So this is my supervisor, and these are my co-authors. So your profile will look like this, right? So as I explained that the video I am making is not related to physics, chemistry, material science, natural sciences. It's related to everything. So today I just want to search about robotics, because robotics, machine learning robotics, this is very interesting field, right? So I just put here robotics here in the search bar and just click here, right? When I click here, so all professors where they working in robotics, they come here. You see here, you can see the first guy, which is the most cited man, 33,000, or no, it's 0.3 million, somehow like this. So these are all professors. They are working in robotics field, like computer vision, machine learning, robotics, computer vision, etc. Let's click on the first one. For instance, see, when you click on the first the name, so there must be a home page here. So this home page is very, very important. Then you have to click on home page. When you click on the home page, so you will reach to the that professor home page. So this is a very powerful professor. So he has many groups here. So when I click on this one here, so you will see here this is his group, and these are people here. You see here his research. You can click here research, softwares, practicals, projects, internet, job, etc. Right? So if you want to click on people here, so these are all people. You see here, so you can directly email to them. You see here when you click, so you will directly email to them. Right? This is how it works, right? Let's go here and see his next group. This is also his next group here. You see here, this is his next group. So you know his university, his research field, everything you see here. So this is the people here, right? These are all detail here about this. And then let's go now and enter some another keyword. Another keyword is basically click here this nanotechnology. So nanotechnology is another very interesting field. So if I click nanotechnology, so then you have to look here the name of supervisor, right? So now let me click on this one here. So you see here it has also a home page. So now when I click on home page, so you will see all the detail here, right? You will see all the detail about this professor, like this professor, his email like this, you see here. Then you can quickly drop an email and ask about an opening or something, or collaboration or whatever you want, right? He has also some grants, and he has also CV. So from his CV you can get all the information. This is how Google Scholar is helpful in order to find your future potential supervisor, potential universities, future universities. So all detail he has here, you see here. So his all detail you got here, and you can easily access him with the help of Google Scholar, right? So that's all about Google Scholar, right? Thank you.